Hey Wolverines, Mr. Watson here. We're inside the netted portion of my classroom where we do drone flight learning. So we're on Drone Lab 2 today. So the first drone lab was with simulators. Today it's a real drone. So here's the drone. This is known as a Zeraxa. They're made by Radio Shack. Here's the drone. There's the drone controller. So the way you do this lab is you'll have your drone, bring it in here. The power switch is right here along the side on the drone. Turn that on. You can tell it's on. The LEDs flash on top and on the bottom. Make sure you set it down somewhere where it's nice and flat. Then you go over here. Here's the drone controller. On the drone controller, it's a switch here in the middle. Push it to the left side. Notice it beeped. That was the drone and the controller. And then they both beeped. It said meaning that they paired. So that's the first part you have to do. After you have them paired, and you pull this all the way down, you hear another beep, and to get the fly, and there we go, fly, you slowly bring this up, and you'll be flying them, and you get to learn what all these different controls do. My advice, be gentle. If you push up in any of the controls, way over hard like this, the drone's going to go flying completely into the net or into the wall. One or the other. So operate them gently, and then if you're real gentle on them, essentially this one's the throttle. Oops, I forgot I still had that drone turned on. It started to fly. so you have the throttle. Then the other ones you have is this makes the drone roll left, roll right, pitch down. Actually, go forward, come backwards. This one, if you go to it has the drone turn left or turn right, and like this one's the throttle. And I said I could sit there and operate it. But for this video, that's all for now. Have a great